It's the tallest residential tower in Canberra, and it's one of its kind for Belconnen. It's quite slim and sleek. One of the main objectives we had when designing it, we were building such a tall tower. The views, we didn't really want to take anything away, so the majority of the facade is glazing. So when you're in your kitchen or in your lounge room in your apartment, you can look out and have these fantastic views. I think it was important for us to find a glazing system that didn't detract from that. We started talking with Jason from Taylor's Windows, and he proposed the AWS system, and we really liked what we saw there. It suited the building, it was sleek, it was streamlined and just looked really nice. He came in very early on in the design, and we were able to sort of come up with these issues and resolve them. Obviously, being 88 metres, it did play a big part trying to get materials up and not spend too much time doing it. So the window suites were all prefabricated off-site. All the window panels, everything, Jason was able to fabricate in his workshop and fully glaze them and bring them out in craneable cages. So we were able to lift them straight onto the floors, unload them. 2 or 3 guys were able to install the whole floor in 3 days. So yeah, it was very efficient. We were able to have 2 people from Taylor's installing a curtain wall system. We were sort of pushed for time as it was towards the end of the job. It was just easy, it was safe, it was efficient. So everything that they proposed for the project worked really well. To be able to use a window system where we can complete these tasks safely, that's definitely a big key thing for us. We wanted to keep all the ceiling heights as high as possible, so one of the briefs we gave Cox Architects was a minimum of 25-50 ceilings, which meant that the services within the ceilings became quite congested. So Taylor's Window, they CNC'd the grills into the actual subhead, so it is a floor-to-ceiling window suite. So when you're on your balcony, you don't have all these grills and things sticking out, it all blends in with the facade as one. They are quite big sliding doors, they're big openings. A lot of them are double doors or triple panel systems, so the sliding doors that we use, they're very easy to operate. I mean, one thing we were mindful of being double glazing, that we didn't want something that was going to be very big and heavy or clunky, so they open very nicely, very easily. It was our first big undertaking. Before that, we were typically medium density, low rise builders. So this was a big step for us, but to have people that knew what they were doing and proposing products that were going to work well, that was a big help. The facade of this building we really needed to nail, and I believe we did that with the product.